All right, guys, it's white, it's plastic, and it opens up.
Oh boy, yeah.
What is it?
I love that.
Tommy, please, over here, thank
You?
you. I know you guys all covet this, but this one's mine. Now, you guys remember the phase where I went through and I wore the fanny pack?
Not a good era.
Now, you guys were very supportive.
No, it was not a good era for
Very
you.
supportive. But everyone wasn't as nice as you guys.
Yeah, we're
So I
nice
had to get
guys.
rid of it, and I understand, but I still need to carry around my essentials, like my chapstick, like the antacid that I need.
Yeah.
I do. So now I take all of those things, like my nail clipper and those things, and I can put
perfect,
it right
Kevin.
in here,
Sort 'em right
secure them up, and I just walk around with this, and nobody makes fun of me anymore.
Only available in
Why
white?
should
I
they?
appreciate your support.
Nice look.
Not what it is at all.
What is it,
This
Bob?
actually, you ever go to the supermarket or the home center and you get bags
Sure.
and bags
Yeah.
and bags? And you know, the next thing you know, you got bags and you put them on your arm, and now you got to worry about them sliding off.
Yeah.
You just carry one of these with you, and now
Oh, and that locks
the
it
bags
on.
can't slide off.
Locks it in place.
That's good. Or, you know, and suppose you get a lot of them, you can just stack them on there like that.
Wow.
And carry them like that.
Tommy, I've got an old fanny pack if you need.
No, thanks.
Look, keep them.
Yeah, you keep it.
Both of you have issues. But they're nothing compared to the
don't.
issues I have.
Oh, believe me, we know.
You know, in this pocket, I always carry my keys and my change.
Chapstick,
Yeah.
antacid.
What are you looking for?
And then in this, I always carry my washers and my nuts. And so this is a perfect sorter for your washers. So there's the little one, his big ones, and then we go to smaller ones here. And it's so handy. You can just
Yeah, it looks
always
good.
find what you need.
Look
Yeah,
how
you-
small they are.
Yeah.
You are a little nuts. Yeah.
Not quite, Richard. Not quite. You give me that bag of soil.
Oh, see, right?
Oh,
When
wait a
you're
minute.
working in the garden or potting plants, you end up with a bag half full.
Yeah.
If you leave it open, rain gets in there, turns to mud.
Yeah.
So all we do is fold that down a little bit.
See?
We're gonna take
See,
this.
you guys were making fun of me. See?
Yeah.
See?
Lock it in place.
It's a bag theme, yeah.
Wait, wait.
There it is.
Okay.
Look at that.
Here we go.
Look at that.
See?
Roger.
Styling.
Boy.